There are giants in the sky. There are big, tall, terrible giants in the sky. When you're way up high and you look below at the world you've left and the things you know, little more than a glance is enough to show you just how small you are. When you're way up high and you're on your own in a world like none that you've ever known, and the sky is lead and the earth is stone, you're free to do whatever pleases you, exploring things you never dared, 'cause you don't care when suddenly there's a big, tall, terrible giant at the door. A big, tall, terrible lady giant sweeping the floor. And she gives you food and she gives you rest, and she pulls you close to her giant breast, and you know things now that you never knew before. Not till the dawn. I feel you, Joanna. I feel you. I was half convinced I'd waken, satisfied enough to dream you. Happily I was mistaken, Joanna. I'll steal you, Joanna. I'll steal you. Do they think that walls can hide you? Even now I'm at your window. I am in the dark beside you, buried sweetly in your yellow hair. I feel you, Joanna, and one day I'll steal you. Till I'm with you, then I'm with you there, sweetly buried in your yellow hair.
André, che gran fan, gran fan. Leí tu artículo sobre mi entrevista y gracias por el sentimiento, pero acabo de pasar por unos errores. Mi vida no es todo spandex y manscara como parece pensar. Tengo profundidad, al igual que los pobres. Para probarlo, cosa importa, André Fila se ha enamorado. Como mujer, le conocí en Walmart. Sí, Walmart, placer culpable. Para evitar a los paparazzi, escondí mi cara debajo de un genial disfraz, pero quizás mis pómulos definidos eran demasiado prominentes porque me reconocieron en la puerta. ¡André! ¡Es André! Mis fans me agarraron, pidieron autógrafos y fotos. Odio la atención, pero amo a mis fans demasiado como para rechazarlos. Pero cuando estaba firmando el bebé de una mujer, le vi labios del color de la sangre. Caderas como una ametralladora. ¡Bang, bang!